It is that time of year again. It's time for 40 bags in 40 days, so let's get started. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is the first official day of the Lent season. Last year, I worked with some of my friends here on YouTube and we did 40 bags in 40 days and I grew so much. I loved declutter. Last year, I got rid of all of my teaching stuff and it just helped me to grow so much and to learn so much about myself and to let that part of my life go. And so when my friend Sara from The Silver Lining reached out to me again this year to see if I would be interested, I of course said yes because I do enjoy decluttering. It is therapeutic for me. I do not have the teaching stuff to declutter this year, but I have plenty of things in my house to declutter. So I am going to link Sara's channel in my description box below, along with a playlist of some of my other friends who are joining us for this Lent season for 40 bags in 40 days. And I invite you guys to do this along with me if you would like. Last year, I went to my local grocery store and they donated 40 bags. I did that mainly because I was doing my teaching stuff and so I was labeling different grade levels and that kind of thing. This year I am just doing a variety of bags from trash bags to shopping bags, and I actually have today my first bag, and this bag is actually a bag that I am decluttering. It's an old bag that I do not use anymore, so I went ahead and filled it up with things. But for today's video, we are just going to see what I have in this bag to donate, fill it back up, and then it will be ready to leave my house. Last year, I loved it because I put I had everything out in the garage because I did all my decluttering out there. And so each week the pile would grow and grow and grow. But this year I am going to be putting this stuff, this year I am going to be donating or getting rid of as I go along. So I'm just going to do an update each week and show you guys what is leaving my house. So this is the first bag that's leaving. In this bag, I have my husband cleaned out his closet and I have some pants from his closet, which reminds me, if you have someone else in your family who is decluttering, make sure that they are the ones that declutter because they know what they want to keep and hold on to, and it just makes things so much easier to let others decide what they're ready to let go of. So I have that pair of pants. I have another pair of pants from him. I have another pair of pants. I have this little bead thing that you can use to decorate with. I no longer use it, so I'm going to donate that. And you can tell these things came from random rooms in my house. A shirt. This is a bottle that I got at Target to put some vinegar water in. I never used it. I have plenty of bottles, so I am decluttering this one. This is a cute little dog jacket. I absolutely loved this. Lily had this when she was a little puppy. And it is it's just so stylish and so cute. And I'm really sad to let it go. So I am just going to let it go. Another thing that I bought that I never used is this little squeegee. These are really good for cleaning windows, cleaning shower doors, that kind of thing. I had an extra one, never used it. I have 2 dog leashes and they are a little too big for my dogs, so I'm going to see if someone else could use those. This was another little shirt that Lily had when she was a puppy, and Again, I love it. It's like a little jersey, so cute, but does not fit her, so there's no reason for me to hold on to it. And then the last item that I have is an older picture frame that does not, I took the picture out of it and I'm just going to donate the frame. And then I'm just gonna put all of that back in this bag that I'm gonna donate, and that takes care of bag 1. In full transparency, decluttering and removing items from your home is not always easy. And last year it was very hard for me to get going, to say goodbye to a chapter of my life. In a sense, I had spent hours devoted to making items that I donated, and it was really challenging for me. But in the end, it was so rewarding and I grew so much. So I want you guys to know that if you decide to declutter along with me, it's not going to be easy. There will be tough choices to make. I will have those tough choices to make as well. You will find that there are all types of clutter, from emotional clutter to just guilty clutter, and we can declutter together. So I hope that you guys will join this challenge with me and my friends here on YouTube. And I will be doing an update each and every Wednesday to show you what I decluttered for that week. And coming up, I think this Sunday, my friend Melinda and I we decided that we're gonna do like an A to Z decluttering. And mine's gonna be an A to Z decluttering challenge. So I think I'm gonna have that video, if I can get it ready, I'm gonna have that video out this Sunday. And then I'll talk about some of those things that I decluttered next week. So join me each and every Wednesday, and I will share I will share my bags, and we will see how many bags I have by the end of the 40 days. Last year, I think I had 60 something bags, maybe. I went well over the 40 bags. This year, I do not have a ton to declutter, so hopefully 40 bags. But anyway, with all of that said, remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.